Number 10.
This T-Rex 600E Pro RC helicopter flies too close to the ground inverted and gets destroyed completely after impact.
Number 9.
This clip shows midair collision between this RC helicopter and a small RC plane, which completely disintegrates after impact.
Oh! Well, didn't hurt the heli.
Number 8.
This RC helicopter explodes mid-air because of tail boom strike.
Number 7.
This RC helicopter crashes into water. Although flying your RC helicopter over water looks cool, you shouldn't do that. This video will tell you why.
Number 6.
This turbine RC helicopter spirals uncontrollably mid-air and then crashes hard into ground.
I gotta work on the throttle curve.
Yeah, cut the bean field. Let's see it.
Inverted all the way down the road.
There's some tall weeds out there.
Tell me if the car's coming. Boy, that's cooling off. Okay. Nope, lost tail.
Number 5.
This Goblin RC helicopter crashes hard during takeoff. Looks like control input failure or backwards gyro. It could be the vibration issue of the helicopter also.
Number 4.
This T-Rex RC helicopter crashes due to tail boom strike.
Whoa!
What the F?
Boom strike. Is that a boom strike?
Number 3.
This RC helicopter simply crashed hard into ground, although the pilot wasn't sure what happened to his helicopter. Not really a good idea to fly in residential areas, so don't do this, guys.
2.
This helicopter was flying okay before it spirals uncontrollably and then crashes hard into ground.
If it's going to crash, this will be the flight that does it. Oh! And
Number 1.
The pilot was lucky to suffer from only minor injuries after this deadly RC helicopter fail. Here is another clip which tells you why you shouldn't be flying your RC helicopter over water.
Oh shit! Oh shit!